Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to visit a farmer's market. You will hear a simple story between two friends, Tony and Diana, and different market sellers. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What time did the bread seller start making the bread? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English step by step. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Wow, look at all the people. It is so busy today.
Yes, Saturday morning is the best time to come to the farmer's market.
Really? Why is the morning the best time?
The food is very fresh. Also, there are many things to choose from.
I see. So we should buy early to get the best ones.
That is right. The farmers bring their food here in the morning.
The farmers? Is this not like a big store?
No big store. The farmers sell it to you face to face.
That sounds nice. The food must be very fresh then.
It is. But Diana, there is a secret to finding the best food here.
A secret? Oh, what is it?
I want to teach you how to choose good food. Some fruit looks pretty but is not sweet.
Really? It looks nice but tastes bad.
Sometimes yes. And some fruit looks plain but is very sweet.
So I cannot choose with my eyes only?
Exactly. By the end of today, you will know how to find the best food.
I am excited. Where do we start?
Let's take a look first. Smell the air. Do you smell the fresh bread?
Yes, and flowers and fruit. It all smells so good.
That's why I love the morning here. Everything is fresh and quiet.
Let's buy something at each stand. I want to taste it all.
Good plan. The vegetables are over here. Let's start there.
Look at these tomatoes. There are so many colors.
Yes, let me show you how to pick a good one.
How do I know which tomato is good?
First, look at the color. A good tomato has a deep, strong color.
This one has a deep red color. Is it good?
Let's check. Now, hold it in your hand. Is it heavy?
Yes, it feels heavy for its size.
That is a good sign. A heavy tomato has more water and more taste.
I did not know that. Color and weight. It's simple. What about these green leaves? They look a bit different.
For leaves, look at how fresh they stand. Good leaves are firm.
These leaves look soft and tired. Are they bad?
Then they are old. Don't buy soft leaves, pick the firm ones.
Got it. Firm leaves are fresh leaves. Let's get some. Look at this sign, Tony. It says in season. What does that mean?
It means this is the best time for them. They are cheaper and better.
Cheaper and better? That is perfect. How much are these tomatoes?
Good morning. Those are $3 for one large bag.
Also, look at this box. These tomatoes have funny shapes. Are they bad?
No, the shape is funny, but the taste is the same. And they are cheaper.
So I should not judge a vegetable by its shape. Good lesson. We will take these tomatoes and the firm leaves. What is the total?
It is $5 total. Oh, let me check something.
Tony, look. This sign says cash only. Do you have cash?
Lucky me. I have exactly $5 here.
Thank you. Enjoy your fresh vegetables.
These fruits look wonderful. Everything is so bright.
Good morning. Are you looking for something sweet?
Yes, please. But how do I know which one is sweet? They all look the same.
Many people choose with their eyes, but that is not the best way.
Not the color or the size? That is surprising.
No. Take this melon and smell the bottom. Tell me what you smell.
Oh, it smells sweet like sugar. It is amazing.
That is the secret. A sweet smell means the fruit is ready to eat.
So I smell the fruit, not just look at it. I will remember that.
And one more thing. Hold 2 melons of the same size. Which is heavier?
This one feels heavier than that one. Is this the better one?
Yes, choose the heavy one. It has more water inside, so it is sweeter.
Smell and wait. I have 2 secrets now. What about peaches?
We have free samples today. Would you like to try this peach?
Mm-hmm. It is so sweet and juicy. This is the best way to choose.
That is the good thing about a market. You can taste before you buy.
I love it. I will take this melon and some peaches, please.
Great choice. That will be $8, please.
I have my own cash, too. Here is $10.
And here is $2 in change. Enjoy your fruit.
Look, Tony, they sell eggs and honey here. My bag is getting heavy.
Fresh eggs from the farm. Let me show you a fun trick for eggs.
A trick for eggs? How can you tell if an egg is fresh just by looking?
You cannot tell by looking, but at home, put the egg in a bowl of water. A fresh egg sinks to the bottom, but an old egg, it floats to the top.
So if it floats, do not eat it. That is so easy. Just water. Hey, look, some eggs are brown and some are white. Is there a difference?
Good eye. Many people think brown eggs are better, but that is not true.
They are not different inside? The taste is the same?
No, the color of the shell comes from the kind of hen. The inside is the same.
So I should not pay more just for the color. That is good to know. What about this honey? The label says it is local honey.
Yes, the bees make it from the flowers near here. It tastes like this area.
I will buy 1 jar. It will be great for my morning tea.
Just 1 jar? Or would you like 3 jars for a discount?
3 jars? How much would that be?
1 jar is $6, but 3 jars are only $15.
$15 for 3? That is a great deal. I will take 3.
Good choice. Now, do you smell that? It's the fresh bread stand.
Oh, it smells amazing. Like a warm hug.
Good morning. I baked these at 4 o'clock this morning.
4 o'clock? That is very early. So it is still warm?
Yes, very fresh. Smell the warm, strong smell.
Here is another secret. Knock on the bottom of the bread.
Knock on the bottom? Like I am knocking on a door? I hear a light, empty sound. What does that mean, Tony?
A light sound means it is baked well and it is fresh inside.
How long will this bread stay good? Can I keep it for a week?
Eat it today or tomorrow. I only use flour, water, and salt.
No chemicals? Just simple food. I want to eat it right now.
We have white and brown bread. Which one would you like?
What is the difference between them, Tony?
Try the brown one. It has a deeper, stronger taste.
It is delicious. I will take the brown one, please. Here is $4 for the loaf. Thank you so much.
You are learning very fast. We have one more stop to make.
These berries look beautiful. Look at the shiny strawberries.
They do look good. Now, can you tell which berries are fresh?
I think the fresh ones have a very bright color.
Yes, bright color and a little shine. That is a fresh berry. But wait, check the bottom of the box too.
The bottom? Why do I need to look there?
Berries are soft. If old berries are at the bottom, you will see juice.
This box is clean and dry at the bottom, so it is a good box. Color, shine, and the bottom. I am learning so much today, Tony. Oh, look at these tiny jars. Is this berry jam?
Yes, when there is extra fruit, they cook it into jam to save it.
That is a smart idea. Nothing is wasted at the market.
Exactly. The bread we just bought is perfect for this jam.
Fresh bread and berry jam. That sounds wonderful for tomorrow morning. I will buy these blueberries and this jam. I have just enough cash left. What a morning! My bag is full of fresh food. I am so happy.
Let's sit on this bench and take a short break. You worked hard.
My feet are tired, but my heart is happy. This was fun.
So, did you learn how to choose good food today?
Yes! Let me name them all. Start with the fruit. With fruit, I smell it. A sweet smell means it is ready, and I take the heavy one. For vegetables, I look at the color and the weight, and the leaves should be firm. With eggs, I put them in water at home. Fresh eggs sink, old eggs float. For bread, I smell it and knock on the bottom. A light sound means it is fresh. And for berries, I want bright color and shine. I always check the bottom of the box.
You remember it all. You are a market expert now.
It was so much fun. The food tastes better when you choose it well.
That is the best part. Oh, one more thing. Next time, bring your own bag.
My own bag? Why should I do that?
Many people bring a bag they can use again. It is better for the earth.
I love that idea. It is simple and it helps everyone. Next Saturday, I will bring my own bag and we can buy more honey.
Then, it is a plan. See you next Saturday at the market, Diana.
Thank you for today, Tony. I cannot wait to eat this fresh bread.
Let's go home and have a feast. It's going to be delicious.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What time did the bakery start making the bread? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this, and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.